Hello everyone and welcome to our new YouTube channel Snacks and Steaks. It's currently cold outside in Athens, so I'm gonna be wearing my jacket. Alright guys, so today I'm bringing you the results of the 8-day butter aging experiment. One thing that I noticed is that we barely lost any kind of pellicules, which are the hard parts that form in a dry aging experiment. If you want to know more about that, I'm gonna have a video link in the last 5 seconds of the video, so keep watching and let's get started. Right guys, so I left my butter in the room temperature for like 2 hours. Now we're just gonna spread it out. As you can see, we can easily form it with just a brush. And a kind of... Right guys, here it is. We spread our butter. Now we're just gonna add our steak now. Right guys, now we're gonna just put the steak in. Just like that. We're gonna press a little bit, just so we make sure everything is covered. Now we're gonna add our remaining piece. We're gonna cut it into 3 pieces. Gonna just spread it out. Right guys, just to make sure everything goes according to plan, I decided to add a little bit of rice on the sides, because in theory the steak might release some moisture from the ground, from the bottom. Alright guys, let's get started. I'm gonna be seasoning it with rock salt only, that's it. I'm gonna heavily season it with salt each side. Don't worry if your steak is a little bit blackened. Alright guys, I'm going to be trimming some of the bad pellicules part. They're so little, so you don't have to worry about it in a butter aging experiment. There's barely any kind of pellicules that formed. Alright guys, let's put the steak on the grill. Alright guys, I've never done this before, so I have no idea. We're trying it together. But my guess is it's gonna take about 4 minutes and a half on each side. Alright guys, I took my steak out, and as you guys can see, we don't have an amazing crust, so I wanna actually see if direct heat is gonna help to get us a nice crust. Alright guys, let's keep cutting. Gonna add a little bit more rock salt. Alright guys, we're back inside. I just wanted to give you my opinion on this experience and taste it as well, to try to guide you. Alright guys, we're back inside. I just wanted to give you my opinion on this in general. So should you try it or not? Definitely try it. It's amazing. The steak is way more tender than if it's not dry, if it's not butter aged. Is 8 days enough? I have no idea. It's my first time butter aging. Maybe we would have gotten better results with more than 8 days. But let me tell you something. If you want to try this experiment or this experience, maybe try it with the ribeye steak. I think you will get better results. That's it. I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, and see you in the next one.